Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I will show you what to do if you cannot open the liftgate on your Chevy Tahoe. This works from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now these Chevy Tahoes have power operated liftgate handle. There is a button to push right here on the inner edge of the liftgate, and there is a button to push right under here that opens only a top portion of the liftgate. So first I will show how it's supposed to work. So you push onto this button and your liftgate opens. Same thing, if you push onto this button, the upper portion will open up. So what happens if there is no power coming into this handle or into this button here? Unfortunately, you cannot open your liftgate. There is no manual way to pull on something to open it up. I sell lots of these Tahoes and this is a very common problem, and always so far I was able to fix it just by checking the fuse which is responsible for both of those buttons, and I will show you now the location of that fuse. So this fuse is located in the main fuse box under the hood. To open it up, just pull on this plastic edge to get the cover off. If you flip this cover, on the back side you will see a nice and detailed fuse diagram, and the fuse you want to check is the fuse number 41, which is responsible for power to the liftgate handle. Okay, and the fuse number 41 is right here, this blue one, 15 amp fuse. And so far on each Tahoe the liftgate didn't work. This fuse was always burnt. I just replaced it and that's it, it was fixed. If this fuse is not burnt and you still can't open the liftgate, then the problem might be somewhere else, probably in wires or the liftgate handle or the button itself. But like I said, I'm pretty sure that this one small fuse will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily on my channel. You can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and similar automotive topics.